Women and men all over the world are looking to lose weight using keto diet. They get started with main keto meals but struggle to find keto-friendly snacks to fill the gap between meals. The book I will share with you gives everyone 78+ delicious snack recipes while ensuring that the state ketosis is also maintained. The Essential Keto Snacks Cookbook brings you all of the benefits of a keto diet, while helping you eat snacks that you and your family will absolutely love eating. And unlike a lot of other keto snack recipes out there, you don't need any cooking experience to make these delicious keto snacks. A lot of keto recipes call for ingredients that you can only find at fancy health food stores, but those rare ingredients often cost a lot more. And, after years of eating keto, I realized that the fancy ingredients aren't necessary at all. They usually just increase the complexity and cost of the food. So I left them out. Almost every ingredient in the cookbook is either already in your kitchen or easy to get from your local store. I created the Essential Keto Snacks Cookbook to have simple, easy recipes, and that means having easy to find ingredients too. Most keto snack recipes still contain a bunch of terrible ingredients. Just because a food is low in carbs does not mean that it's automatically good for you. Plenty of keto snack recipes still contain ingredients that I would never choose to eat. Many common keto ingredients like cheese, dairy, and seed oils are highly inflammatory or sometimes very high in carbs. And if you really want to feel great, you've got to pay attention to more than just how much sugar is in your food. 100% of the recipes in this cookbook are also gluten-free, paleo, low-inflammatory, and dairy-free. All recipes contain 0 grains, 0 artificial sweeteners, 0 processed foods, 0 legumes, 0 dairy, 0 nut or seed oils. So you're not just losing weight and eating tasty food, you're also healing your body. All you have to do to claim your free print copy of this Essential Keto Snacks Cookbook is to click the link in description. The book is completely free. You just pay a small fee to cover shipping and we'll handle the rest. The Essential Keto Snacks Cookbook is a real, physical cookbook that we'll ship directly to your house. Just a beautiful, full-color cookbook full of delicious recipes that will help you slim down and keep your family happy. Check out the link in description.